Unlock a lifetime of financial independence. Explore these profitable passive income ideas to start earning now. Introduction to passive income. As the cost of living continues to rise and the traditional 9-to-5 job becomes less reliable, many individuals are seeking alternative ways to secure their financial future. One such avenue is through passive income. Passive income refers to earnings that are generated with minimal effort or active involvement on a recurring basis. In this article, we will explore the benefits of passive income and provide you with a comprehensive list of profitable passive income ideas to start earning now. Benefits of passive income. Passive income offers numerous advantages that make it an attractive option for those seeking financial independence. Firstly, it provides a sense of financial security by diversifying your income streams. Unlike a single paycheck from a traditional job, passive income allows you to earn money from multiple sources, which can act as a safety net during times of economic uncertainty. Moreover, passive income offers the potential for long-term wealth accumulation. By investing your time and resources into establishing passive income streams, you have the opportunity to build a strong foundation for future financial success. As these income streams continue to grow, they can provide a steady stream of cash flow that can supplement or even replace your primary source of income. Passive income statistics. The popularity of passive income has been steadily rising, and the numbers speak for themselves. According to recent statistics, over 40% of Americans have at least one source of passive income, with an average earning of $2,000 per month. Additionally, research suggests that individuals with multiple streams of passive income are more likely to achieve financial independence and retire early. These statistics highlight the growing interest and success individuals are experiencing through passive income. It is clear that passive income has the potential to unlock a lifetime of financial independence and should not be overlooked as a viable means of achieving your financial goals. Passive income ideas to start earning now. Investing in stocks and dividends. Investing in stocks and dividends is a popular method of generating passive income. By purchasing shares of established companies that pay regular dividends, you can earn a portion of the company's profits without actively participating in its day-to-day operations. This requires careful research and analysis to identify stable and profitable companies. Additionally, diversifying your investments can help mitigate risk and ensure a steady stream of passive income. Renting out property and real estate. Owning and renting out property is a classic passive income strategy. Whether you choose to invest in residential or commercial real estate, the rental income can provide a consistent cash flow. However, this requires careful management and maintenance of the property, as well as dealing with tenants. Hiring a property management company can ease the workload and ensure a hassle-free passive income stream. Creating and selling digital products. In today's digital age, the demand for digital products is on the rise. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, templates, or software, creating and selling digital products can be a profitable source of passive income. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Etsy, you can reach a wide audience and generate sales while you sleep. Affiliate marketing and referral programs. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each successful referral or sale. By partnering with companies that offer affiliate programs, you can earn passive income by simply recommending products or services to your audience. This can be done through blog posts, social media, or email marketing. Choose products or services that align with your niche and have a proven track record to maximize your earning potential. Building and monetizing a blog or website. Building a blog or website around a specific niche can be a lucrative venture. By consistently producing high-quality content and attracting a loyal audience, you can monetize your platform through various means, such as display advertising, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. It may take time and effort to establish a successful blog or website, but the passive income potential makes it a worthwhile investment. Creating and selling online courses. If you possess expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a profitable passive income stream. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and market your courses to a global audience. Once the course is created, it can generate income indefinitely, as long as it remains relevant and valuable to learners. Passive income through YouTube and podcasting. YouTube and podcasting have become increasingly popular platforms for content creators to earn passive income. By consistently producing engaging and informative videos or podcasts, you can attract a large audience and monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. The key to success in this field is creating unique and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Generating passive income through dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for warehousing and fulfillment, making it an attractive option for those looking for a low-risk and low-cost way to start an e-commerce business. By setting up an online store and marketing your products, you can earn passive income through each sale. Conclusion: passive income has the power to unlock a lifetime of financial independence and provide you with the freedom and flexibility to live life on your terms. By exploring the various profitable passive income ideas mentioned in this article, you can start building a strong foundation for your financial future. Remember, passive income requires initial effort and investment, but the potential rewards are well worth it. Start today and take control of your financial destiny. Ready to start your journey towards financial independence? Explore these passive income ideas and take the first step towards securing your future. Don't wait, start earning now. Thanks for watching my video on unlocking a lifetime of financial independence. Explore these profitable passive income ideas to start earning now.